So what I made is a custom RC10 front shock tower for somebody, and this is 1/8" aluminum, and it's stock hole position to match the the stock original. And what I did was I just milled out halfway through pockets here on the sides here, and I just cut out in the middle, so it's not the exact stock shape, but it's the stock position of all these holes, so it'll work right up to a stock setup. But I think it turned out really nice. I'll chop it out, clean it up, and then I'll take some pictures and show it up. So 6061 aluminum, 1/8". So RC10. Thanks for watching, guys.